if you're trying to create a GitHub profile README and you can't find where to create it from on your homepage, don't worry, because I'm going to show you how to fix that in a few seconds. I recently faced the same issue and couldn't find the README documents on my homepage. So here is what I did, and here's what you can do as well. You just need to create a repository for the README profile. So go up here and click on new repository. Now for the README to appear on your GitHub profile, it has to have the same name as your username. If it doesn't have the same name, it's not going to work. As you can see, I have a message here saying that I can use the name to add a README to my GitHub profile. Make sure your repo is in public. Tick the add a README file and then go ahead to create your repository. Now that the README file has been created, you can go ahead and customize it however you want. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching. Bye.